That's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are. We do a latest thing. This will actually have the key embedded in it, but this is a clock which, as you can see, fits on here and covers up your ignition. What we're hoping to do is actually have this as you'll turn the whole thing, to turn the ignition on and off, and then pull the key out and take the clock with you. But very cool bit of kit, as you can see. All CNC, made by us, and hides up the ignition unit. When you park up, obviously you can, this particular one we've done it so the clock comes out, you take the clock out, you put the key in, and obviously you can put your key in, start the bike, but you can't have the clock on when you're riding. Okay, or possibly you could actually, but just an idea. Interested? CustomCruisers.com, 01773835666, and the new site CustomCruisers.eu. Some other cool bits, got the Lucas headlight going on, Bonneville, as you can see on here. Kicker kit, very cool, dummy kicker, which really makes your bike look pretty cool. As you can see, stainless steel, beautiful thing. Original Triumph kicker. Rag cover. Okay, we've got a rag cover, we've got a sump guard. Another thing, as you can see, is a steering damper. Like in the old Triumphs, I've had to turn the risers back to front, obviously, to get it in, but looks pretty good. Could, of course, be lowered, then you could use the risers the way around. That's another option we've got. But old-fashioned horn. If you're interested in these bits, they're not online yet, but they will be soon. It's CustomCruisers.com, or the new site is CustomCruisers.eu, which we can actually edit easily, whereas the old site's a nightmare and doesn't always work with an Apple device. Stamp plates available as well, as you can see. This particular plate, 1965, put on this new bike. Knee pads to make the bike look even older. But CustomCruisers.com, CustomCruisers.eu, or 01773835666. Thank you.